Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Chris here. What I'm doing today, I got another truck video for you. So as you can see in the background, I have a bed extender. Let me see if I can pivot the camera a little bit. So this is an OEM Ford bed extender for my F150. I managed to pick this up, actually, believe it or not, during the pandemic. Somebody locally had this on Facebook for like $50. I messaged him about it. He said he didn't have the mounting hardware for it, so the conversation just kind of stopped. I noticed maybe about a couple weeks later, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, he listed it again, and this time he dropped the price by $25. So normally these are hundreds of dollars. He initially had it for $50, and then he dropped it down to $25. So at $25, I'm like, yeah, I'll definitely get it now. So I picked it up from him, came home, jumped on Amazon, and I found the mounting hardware. I got those right here. They cost me, if memory serves me correctly, about $25, I think. I just checked on Amazon now just to make sure I had the price correct, and it seems you can get them for less than $20 now. So yeah, I picked these up, and I guess let's just get into it. I'll show you what I had to do. So the bed extender, like I said, it definitely is used. It's not perfect, but you know, it's good for me. The only thing that I can see that is wrong is it has these caps here on the end of the railing, and this one's missing. That's really pretty much the only problem. You know, it's silver, or I would prefer it had been black. I could always paint it if I ever feel so inclined, but I'm also kind of lazy, so I don't know if I'll be doing that. And for $25, I really shouldn't complain too much. And I just wanted to give you a quick close-up of the hardware, the mounting hardware. I already had them in the truck already, and apparently I have a little bit of a moisture issue, so it has some rust on them. I could sand that down and repaint them, but for the sake of this video, I think I'm just going to put these back in to show you how this works. All right, so essentially where the mounting hardware goes, these two caps came with the set, and I'll show you what those are used for in a little bit. You screw in the brackets right here. Unfortunately, the truck does not come with those holes threaded already, so you need to do it yourself. So I had to run to Home Depot, and I bought this tapping bit. It's an M10 by 1.5. So I got that, and essentially just had to work it in the hole and basically thread the hole so we could use the mounting brackets. These require a Torx bit. I don't have one big enough for these, so I make do just using a hex key, and that's what we're gonna do here. I did have this installed already. They tend to, you know, with all the vibrations of the truck, they tend to get, they unscrew themselves. So what I'm gonna do this time, I'm gonna throw some Loctite thread locker on the mounting brackets before we install them. Oop, too much. All right, so that's in there. Go with the hex key, just tighten it up. And hopefully this time with the thread locker, it will hold. So let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. All right, so let's go ahead and get this put back in place. So we're going to put it in with the bed extender facing the inside of the bed. And what you got to do is we're just going to take the bed extender and we're going to slide it right over top, right on top of that bracket that clips into place. Now the other holes that I was showing, the ones that had the caps, this is what the caps are for. So if I want to keep the bed extender locked in like that, you're going to pop this in, and that the caps help that stay in there nice and snug. If I want the bed extender outwards, that's where the hole in the bottom comes into play. You essentially just tap this into the bottom. So let's just double check the other side. I think I heard it click when I was putting it in. Yep. So that's locked into place. So if I wanted to move this outwards to actually extend the bed, you just flip it down like so, and then again, just lock it into place. So there you have it. So for the most part, I've not yet had the need to use the bed extender. So essentially what I'm using it for is more of like a cargo organizer. So when this is flipped in, locked into place, if I go shopping, groceries, whatever, I can put the groceries in the bed of the truck, and this will keep them from rolling all the way down to the other side of the bed. So that part of the bed extender has definitely come in handy so many times. So all in all, I mean, if you don't have one, I definitely would recommend getting one just for cargo. But also, I don't know, I just like adding stuff to my truck. But so again, price-wise, I know they go for several $100s brand new. I managed to get this locally used for $25. The mounting kit that you can get now for under 20, I know I paid at least 25 for. So right there, that is a $50 investment. I did have to buy the tapping bit, and I think that was $10. So all in all, this was a $60 project for me. And man, like I said, I'm very happy with it. And if you are in the market of getting a bed extender, I definitely recommend it. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. If you like this video, if you don't mind, if you can hit that like button for me, it's definitely appreciated. And until next time, I guess we'll see you in the next one.